Hey, it's Rosalie with Can't Wait to Plan. How you guys doing? Okay, so I believe this is my series of my baby girl first year scrapbook part 4, and this is right after her 3 months pages, and it's the Valentine one because 3 months it was in February, so Valentine was included in there. So I use, and I couldn't I know it's somewhere in all my piles that I have save up to try to give you the idea of what I use, but it's one of the Valentine collections that I have either from 𝘀𝗋𝗃 or Simple Stories, or one of those. I could not remember which one because I don't know where that pile of stuff that I saved was for. I also saved the thicker that I used. This was coming from one of the thickers set, and it just say "Be My Valentine." I thought it was so sweet. I cut off this is from the no, I'm sorry, that came from that collection too, whichever it was. If I find it, I'll put it in the collection box, okay? This, I just have a scrap piece of foil, so I thought it's cute to underline it to kind of make sure people know it's for Valentine. And this was from a 6x4 from this collection, which in this case I use it as a sheet, as the same as how it came, because it was just a nice quote in there. And this is her. I try to start putting, and this is very hard to read, so I'm going to change the font. I started putting some dates on, because I love to put dates on photos, and I do this. I just do that before I print them, and that helps a lot, instead of, because sometimes you do a layout and the various photo you use on that layout is not necessarily from the same day or same week or even sometime the same month, because it could be by theme or whatever. So, but this is so cute. This is on Valentine's Day. They went to the park close to the house, and that's her dad. And look at her face. It's just so cute. I guess it was sunny over there or something, because she's all wrinkly and trying to close her eyes. I don't think she's sleeping, but and this is just from one of the sticker set that I have. I don't even remember what it was. And then on the second page, I did again, I try to keep things super simple so that way I can get it done faster than my normal speed. So I use the same exact layout, just a border with the pattern paper inside. I always try to use the busier paper on the outside, and then something that I can deal with and scrapbook on the inside. That's super cute, right? And so I, again, her photos always with the white borders. And this was actually a card, a die cut card that I got from Michael's for like $1, and you get like 20 of them, but they're small. And so I trim it down a little bit and I did put 2 of them together just to make that larger frame. It's just give a peekaboo effects. And in the back, I just put some black cardstock in there. And this is one of the baker's, what do you call it, muffin stick or something you get on sale, at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, when they go on clearance. And so I stick that right in here along with the word love. This was again from one of the sticker set, and I just tuck it in there along with the E. I just thought it's so cute, because by itself this was a little bit too empty. And I didn't really put a box for journaling here, because I figure her mom can just do that here. And I gently put some pencil line here, but I think I won't even do that, because I think some people can just write without it. And then also, I'm not sure exactly what size her handwriting is, so that way she can make her own line to what she likes, and based on how much she want to write either as well. And then this was actually a pack, I don't know, card pack, or it's one of those, maybe you can say Happy Valentine in the back or something like that for kids. I got the set that came with like 4 different animals, and they were so cute, from, I think it was like Target on sale. And so I put that there. I just thought it's so super, super adorable. And her pinkish peaches, you know, peachy type outfit went perfectly with this page, because this pink is actually not pink. It is more peach, peachy pink than pink pink, you know, so it came out really, really well. So, okay, so now I'm going to show you the next page, which I believe is her, let's see, she's now turning 4 months. So here it is. Here, I'll show the first page first. So, so cute. They're always out in the park, because the house, the condo they have over there, it's so expensive. It's only like 500 square feet, so it's so small. So they're always outside and playing and stuff like that. Here I used the paper from the collection. I just cut it in half, and then I added this, both of these are, and then I added the strip just to tie in with the greenery of the photos. And this was a strip from the sticker sheets that came with the collection, the big 12x12 sticker sheet. So I added to that, but I put it also on, I didn't like the way it looks when it was just straight onto these two paper. So I added I just kind of hand cut a layering strip in white to put there. Okay, and it's basically, it's not quite half. It's not 6 and 6. This is a little bit smaller, this is a little bit bigger, because it has to accommodate this large photo. And here I have this really cute fuzzy ribbon that I love. It's, I mean, oh my gosh, you have to feel it. It's so soft. I have this in this color, the apple green, as well as red, a really nice red. So I just thought, you know what, I kind of wanted to use that, because these paper didn't really have so much green. So I just took the pink cardstock, and then I just glued this with my I just cut it in section and glue it down with my Hunky Dory construction glue. And this is actually a Dollar Tree flower set that I've had forever. So I start laying it out and just use it there. And then this one, I made a mistake and actually ordered 2 of this picture. So I just cut one and pop it onto, just cut one smaller and then pop it onto the other one, just to use them both to give that little 𝘀𝗹𝗻𝗃 effect, you know, and so forth. And then this picture is just simple on a pink cardstock. Okay, and then the next picture is the for the second page of the layout, the left page. This is her 4 months. This is a cute one from the collection, one of the thing from the collection. I fussy cut her out from this photo because the back, you see how yellow she is? The background, the photo, everything about this photo was just like weird coloring. So I try to change it so she'd be a lot brighter, but this is the best I could do. But I fussy cut out because the background was super, super distracting. And then her main photo, what her mom took, it was so cute. I wanted to get her as big as possible, but with the doggy, both of them were smaller because they were next to each other. So what I did was I just blow her up as big as possible. That's, you know, fit kind of like a 4x6, but the dog was only like this big. So then I cut that out, and then I did the dog by itself, just in proportion. And then I just join it. You can see it's kind of lying here. And that's that. And I just add a few more flowers from that Dollar Tree set and pop it up. And then I use the same frame techniques that I use with the ribbon to get the 2 pages to connect with each other. But I thought that was so sweet, right? Okay, good job. Okay, and then the next section is her 5 month. Okay, and sorry, we do one at a time. So I was sometime I go with the color of her outfit. Sometime it's by the theme of the photos, you know, like for Valentine's and stuff. And sometime it was the clothing that she wore. And this one had lemon all over it. So I picked a lemon. This is not from the Welcome Baby Girl collection. This is actually I believe it's an Easter collection. I have to look it up and put it in the description box. But this was a 6x4 cut apart, which I use as is for that quote. This was so cute, and I just pick out some lemon cardstock that goes with the collection. I cut out this strip from the border strip paper from the collection, and this is the one of the paper from this collection that I use with that. And the reason I kind of went that way, luckily, you know, she was wearing this too, and this was from one of the cut apart or embellishment pack from the collection too. It's because you'll see that the next one, it's the next page is like an Easter page, and her dad was wearing a really blue shirt, and we couldn't stay with that color scheme of the peach pink, you know, pastel green or minty green or minty mint and stuff like that, what we've been using, but we have to introduce blue. So I thought I'd slowly have if I'm going to use a different color scheme, I try to do at least a couple layout with that color scheme, so it's not so odd standing by itself. You know, if like everything was the other color scheme, and then all of a sudden we have this in, and then next we move back to the other one. So I try to at least have 2 double page layout that have, you know, kind of, so the next one you'll see it has a little bit more of the blue and yellow and stuff. And this is the right side page has her month, her 5 months. My main squeeze, so cute. Look at her. She's so sweet, right? Look at that face. And then her main photo. This was an Anna Griffin scrapbook frame. I think it was from, oh my goodness, what was that? It was from Scrap at Home 2 or 3, and it's cute, so I just put it out in foil, and I lay her main photo with that teal cardstock to kind of put it in focus. Okay, and again, I didn't really line anything or put a specific journaling section, because this is like the perfect journaling area that her mom could use right there, and I'll tell her that's what I did. Okay, all right, so I hope you're having a wonderful time, and I hope you're getting a few inspirations from this. I know it's maybe a lot simpler than what you guys do, but when you're in a rush, I know, which sort of just trying to make it as simplified as possible, and also make it in the style that your gift receiver would like to have instead of your own style. My style tend to be a lot more busier and so forth. But I also like her. I like symmetry. So you never know. I probably come out with something very similar too. Alrighty, I will see you tomorrow. I think tomorrow. I'm not sure. Bye.